students, welcome, and today we will discuss complex sentences. You will speak a lot of complex sentences during your IELTS speaking test and write a lot of sentences during your IELTS writing test as well. You must always remember that complex sentences are part of the English language because everything is dependent on something or the other. You will not just be speaking independent clauses, and you will not just be speaking dependent sentences. You'll have to combine them together sometimes to make a coherent statement. This is part of your coherence. If you cannot or are not able to make complex sentences, you will not be able to write English. Or if you are not able to speak complex sentences, you will not be fluent enough to speak out your ideas. Okay? So, understanding complex sentences is very important. So, what are complex sentences? Complex sentences are made up of an independent clause, a complete thought or sentence, and at least one dependent clause, a group of words that can stand alone as a complete sentence. So, basically, a complex sentence is made up of an independent clause and a dependent clause. Just like a child is dependent upon his parents or her parents. So the child is the dependent one, and the parents are the independent one. Parents can cook their own food, they can travel around, they can do anything they want. But the child needs his or her parents to go around, to walk, to eat something, to cook for him or her. I've already posted videos regarding clauses and simple sentences. Okay, so please check out those videos. Okay, they are used to show relationship between ideas in a more intricate way. Complex sentences are used to show ideas, to showcase ideas, to group ideas together. Okay, so let's look at one example. For an independent clause, she went to the store. This is a complete sentence. She went to the store. It can stand alone, it can stand by itself. It doesn't need any other supportive sentence. And the dependent clause, because she needed some groceries. So the whole sentence would be, she went to the store because she needed some groceries. In dependent clause, this sentence cannot stand alone. This sentence becomes a running sentence. It does not have the capability to stand by itself. It becomes a moot point. So that's how complex sentences are built. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button